Welcome guys back to Car Hall Life. On today's episode, I'm at the dealer and I got problems. What problems do I have? No, it's not the air ride. The problems that I have is my alternator. It went bad. It won't charge my batteries no more. I got like 9 volts, so I barely made it to the dealer. I'm in Bakersfield, so you can see fuel pump barely works, and I got about I got what, 9 volts. Yeah, there you go. So it came inside the truck. Okay, so that's that. Like I said, I'm at the dealer and I bought 4 new batteries. Let me not try not to hit myself. So I got new batteries and a brand new alternator. This is not aftermarket because I don't want to deal with aftermarket bullshit. So yeah, first things first. I'm gonna swap out the batteries, and then I'm gonna tackle the alternator. Should be pretty easy. Update coming soon for the air ride. This thing is awesome. Yes sir. Yep, I got 6 Tahoes. Actually I got 5 Yukons and 1 Yukon XL. And a Porsche Cayman. I think it's a Cayman, yeah. Porsche Cayman. Alright, well, keep you updated as they go, I guess. And yeah, I'm sorry for my talk. I'm wearing braces and it's tough to talk, so please forgive me. Everything happened last night when I left the truck off with all the lights on for like 20 minutes, and then it started fine, but then it started acting funny driving up the mountains, and I kept losing voltage and amperage, so that's how we determined we have a bad alternator. Now I'm gonna pop this out. If you got the red socket. Yeah, right. Obviously you gotta use a wrench or just a regular ratchet. Okay, it's out. Now we gotta remove this one. Another 10. Yeah, it needs 10. And you know the deal, right? Where's my 10mm socket? Oh guys, guess what? I was blessed enough to have my 10mm socket. Usually those are nowhere to be found. That's a true story. You cannot find your 10mm and 13mm. So much fun. Okay. So, pretty straightforward, I guess. Let me go get the new one. Trying to make sure that you have the right part. And this one has the pulley off, so I gotta take the pulley out, the old one. Okay, let's go do that now. This will be fun. Okay, so what do we need to get the job done? Special tools, of course. You know, it's got like a triple square. 12 point. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a 12 point. I don't think I got that big one. So, shit. Sucks. I just took a screwdriver. I found a socket. 7/8. And I just undo it. That's it. And then to tighten the other one, I'll see how I'm gonna do it. I guess I might need to get the tool, but I'll just put a little holding thread lock, and it'll be just fine. Something fell. Alright, let's go. Let's go see what's up there. Why they gotta make it so complicated though? I don't get it. Or at least sell it with a new roller or pulley, whatever. I am put slight pressure. I'm not gonna put too much pressure. Just want to tighten a little bit, you know. Obviously, I'm not gonna damage the whole thing. Put a little pressure on it. Okay, it's too much of this. Alright guys, everything's hooked up. Just gonna double check, make sure I have everything in the right place. But if not, if something is not in the right place, you'll see smoke, it'll spark, it'll burn down, whatever. So yeah, just trace your jump leads, negative to negative, negative to negative, negative to negative, and then tight it down. Not too tight, don't break the posts. Then you got positive jump to positive, and positive to positive, positive to positive. Main positive from the alternator comes from there. Engine started. Get it tight. Make sure nothing is like loose or not connected. Nothing's hanging. Okay. Good. Basically, make sure you hook up everything back to its place. Again, everything is secured. Nothing's gonna rattle or go somewhere where it's not supposed to go. Alright, let's see if it lasts now. If we got any voltage. Alright, we got, well, got about 13 volts, which is good. See if it starts. Oh no! It's the last thing I wanted. No! Come on, dude, what'd you sell me? Dead batteries? Please start, please. Oh no, dude. Come on, come on, come on, come on. God. Oh, that's no fun. Let me check my terminals, make sure it's all tight. Okay. I hooked up my jump box just in case. Give it some extra juice. Please start. We got enough voltage. Yeah, sounds like a bad post or wiring. God, there's so many dead batteries. Fuck. No, I don't like that. Ground. She went with a beep, you. Come on, dude. You gotta be kidding me. I hate that shit, man. Come on, bro. Okay, I don't know if that was coincidence, but we got everything in check. Alternator works. It is charging. supposed to clean it, but yeah, it's not that bad. Anyway, come up, back up and leave. Make sure everything's good, but everything's good, you know. Gotta go. Let's go. Well, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please do me a favor, just like this video, subscribe, and just let me know where you guys are coming from. Like, I'm just curious to see if you follow me from Instagram or you're like coming from YouTube, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna keep making videos, you know, car hauling, whatever, little repairs here and there. I'll give you updates as they go, you know, with the air ride. This thing is awesome. Yeah. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Because there's not much content on, you know, about car hauls and stuff on YouTube. There's a few guys doing it, but I do it my way, you know, like everybody does their own way. But yeah, I show you all the good and bad, you know. I don't show only the good stuff. So I show, you know, when you break down and stuff and how to fix yourself and go, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, do me a favor. You know what to do. You know, right? Alright, see you next time.